Hey, what's up everybody? This is C.L.S. All-in-One. With the coronavirus spreading here in the US, we're experiencing shortages with all kinds of stuff, including toilet paper. But I might be able to help you out with that. Many of the stores here are completely sold out of toilet paper, but still have paper towels. So if you're lucky enough to find some paper towels, I'll show you how to transform one roll of paper towels into 3 rolls of toilet paper. So the first thing you need to do is make a couple of marks on the paper towel roll. We'll make one mark at 3.5 and one mark at 7 1/4, and that should make 3 pretty close to even sized pieces. After making your marks, you're going to need a way to cut it. For me, I'm just going to use a compound miter saw, which is going to make this job super easy. But if you don't have a saw like this, you could just use a kitchen knife with a serrated blade and just start sawing right through where your lines are. Now it's time to make my cuts. And make sure you're wearing your protective gear. I do have some eye goggles on. So I'll make my first cut, slide that piece out of the way, and make my second cut. And on a side note, I probably should have waited for that blade to stop spinning before I made that second cut. Whoops. And now I got 3 rolls of toilet paper. Well, kind of. Now it's time to test these out and make sure they fit on the toilet paper dispenser. So I've removed the tube. We'll put that back on the toilet paper holder. And it works. One thing I would recommend, since these are paper towels, it's probably not the best idea to flush these down the toilet. If you absolutely have to, I would only do like one piece at a time. Maybe do some courtesy flushes in between to make sure you don't clog up that toilet, because these do not break down near as good as toilet paper, so that could be a concern. For me, I'm actually just going to bag these up and throw them away, which is kind of gross, but it's better than my toilet clogging up. Or even possibly my sewer line clogging up, which could create a huge problem. Hey everyone, thanks for watching. This is C.L.S. All-in-One. If you want to hear more from me, please like and subscribe. And to see more of my videos, just click any of these categories to see more.